Good morning. We are out here at 6607 Stony Way in 9 Mile Falls, Washington. And I want to show you this beautiful home that just came on the market. This sits on 4.99 acres. It's just over 1,700 square feet. And every attention to detail has been given to this home. When you first come in the entryway, you have your laundry room, door out to the garage, full service laundry, your water heater. In here is a hybrid, high grade water heater. In this foam is a whole house water pressure pump. If we come in, we've got a coat closet here. These views in the home are absolutely spectacular, but before we get there, let's jot down the hall this way. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. This is your first bathroom. Full bath. We have a linen closet here. Tub and shower combo. Glass doors to enclose it in, so no shower curtain to deal with. Your first bedroom is here. This is a queen size bed, has end tables on both sides, plus a dresser, so it's great space. And then let's go out to the second bedroom, currently being used as an office. This has double windows and the views are just spectacular. It does have LVP flooring throughout, carpet in the bedrooms. Now look at this open floor plan. Absolutely stellar kitchen. We got a beautiful pantry. All appliances stay. You've got formal dining. You've got your family room. You've got a wood stove. This is EPA certified. Got a 105-inch TV, which is available for purchase. All of the furnishings and equipment here are available for purchase if someone was interested. It has surround sound, Dolby Atmos surround sound, so it's overhead sound for you, wired. We have a coat closet here, and here's the primary bedroom. Look at these views. Again, very large space. This is a king-size bed in this room. Views from just about every corner. And then here's the bathroom. You've got beautiful double sinks. Cabinets are all made by Huntwood. We got quartz countertops. So all custom cabinets. Got a gorgeous tiled shower. Separate commode. And nice walk-in closet. Got overhead storage. All the way around. Space for shoes. Look at these views at your primary bedroom. And look at this deck. This is outdoor living to the max. We'll step outside and take a look. So you've got cover deck on this side. It's all Trex deck. It has a retractable awning with lights and wind sensor. If we come out these doors, both doors open, and it brings you out to this gorgeous deck. 10 feet covered going out. Deck is 12 feet. You could spend all kinds of time out here. We have a fire pit right over here. We have RV hookup. You can actually hook up 2 RVs if you want. The power coming in is right over here in this little shed built. There's a garden shed out there. It's wired with lights. It does require a battery pack. We have an office or studio over here. It's a 10 by 12, has a mini split in it. It's got all kinds of upgrades. It's got sound walls, it's got a sound ceiling, absolutely spectacular there. And then if we come over here, there are full pictures online of the inside of these buildings, so you can see them. If we come to this side of the property, there's an archery shooting range. There is a large covered carport out here, and there is, let's see if I can zoom in on it. There's a large covered carport, and there's a large shop. It's a 30 by 20 with a covered side. That interior wall can be moved to make it a 30 by 30 shop. So it is a non-load bearing wall. And if you wanted, you could just pull it out and make it a 30 by 30. Anyway, if you're interested in more information, give me a call. Would love to show you the property, get you more information, and let you know all of the upgrades that are available on this property. It's absolutely spectacular and way too many to mention here. So hope you're having a fabulous day and look forward to hearing from you.